Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to tap to restart this app for a better view in eFootball. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, tap on your phone setting. Next, scroll down little bit. Tap on Advanced Features. Next, tap on Lab. You can see that multi-window for all app. Tap on this icon. Go back. Scroll down a little bit. Tap on Developer option. Go down. Tap on Force Allow apps on external. Next, tap on Force activities to be reusable. Your problem hopefully solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.